What did you talk about?
Today we talk about friends.
Yeah? Who's your friend in school?
Jocelyn and Fatima.
Jocelyn and Fatima?
Yeah.
Oh, why is Jocelyn your best friend? Why is she your best friend?
Because she touches me.
She touches you?
Yeah, that's what she does.
And? She touches you and what? And what does she say to you?
She says cutie.
She says you're a cutie? Aw, are you a cutie? Is that why she's your best friend? That's so cute. Yeah, you're a cutie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who else is your best friend?
Fatima.
Fatima? What does she say to you?
She talks to me. That's why she's my best friend.
She talks to you? What does she say?
She says all single words. She says all single words.
All single words? Like what?
Cutie Nathan.
Oh, she says you're a cutie, Nathan? What about you? What do you say to them? What do you say to them? Booby? Bubby?
Huh?
What do you say to them?